Hello, all of you. Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the our class, which is the class we are already discussed in previous tenses. Now we will continuing the lesson in the tenses, last tense, future tense. We are already completed the present tense, past tense, and we will continue the future tense. Now we will continue the future tense. In the future tense also four kinds are there: simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. What are the actions or what are the verbs are divided into present tense V1, past tense V2, future tense V1. But in the a lot of differences between the present tense, past tense and future tense. In the future tense it will be the helping verbs are will or shall. They added every sentences. If there is a will or shall in the sentence, that will be going on it's a future tense. That will be going on it's a future tense. In the future tense, first one is the simple future. Simple future. In the future tense, first one is the simple future. I will show you a picture, one of the picture of the simple future. Okay, future tense, simple future. It is used to express an action that which will take place in future. It is used to express an action that which will take place in future. What are the actions in the future? That is a future tense. In the simple future, to express an action that which will take place in future. Clue words: tomorrow, next week, next month, in the future, etc. In the present tense, what is the present actions? Past tense, what are the completed actions? What are the completed actions? What are actions in the past? That is a past tense. In the future, what is the going on? Not today, the tomorrow or the day after tomorrow is actions or will come in the future tense. Okay, to the clue words are tomorrow, next week, next month, in the future, etc. Examples: I shall dash arrive tomorrow morning. I dash arrive tomorrow morning. Here, I shall arrive. I shall arrive. I shall arrive tomorrow morning. And they will dash. They dash get money from you next Sunday. They dash get money from you next Sunday. That sentence we will complete it. It say they will get money from you next Sunday. She dash buy new cycle next week. She will buy new cycle next week. They dash win the next match. They will win the next match. These are the examples. These are the examples of the simple future tense. Simple future tense. And the colleges open will be on September. The colleges will be open on September 1st, September 2020. In this way, you have to write the examples. You have to write the examples of the future tense, the simple future tense. To express an action which will take place in future is a simple future. Simple future. The simply identify the future tense is it will come, will or shall in the sentences. It will come, will or shall in the sentences. Shall always followed the I and we. I and we. First person of the singular and plural. I and we is followed the shall. Remaining all followed the will. Remaining all followed the will. That is the a simply identification. A simply identification. Next to future continuous. Next tense is the future continuous. It is used to express an action which is going to take place at some time in the future. It is used to express an action which is started in the future and going on sometime in the future. Going on sometime in the future. Suppose in this academic year we really did not continue the lessons. We did not continue the academic year from the beginning, June onwards. But unfortunately we didn't continue. But next what will expectation? We are expecting the September onwards the colleges will be going on. The September onwards, September 2020 onwards the colleges will be going on. We will expecting. That is the expectation. That academic year started to September to March or April. September to April is the first semester and then May onwards is the second semester. We will expecting the academic year. For the classes. But which is the September to March or April? That is the classes going on. That is continuing the colleges. Their academic year process. That is the continuous, future continuous tense. What is the action is continuing in the future, started in the future and going on sometime continuing in the future. That is the future continuous. It is used to express an action which is going to take place at some time in the future. The action is going on at some time in the future time. Sometime in the future. That is the future continuous. Clue words: at this time tomorrow, at 4 o'clock next Sunday, at a 10th next month. 1st of the September 2020. Etc. These are the clue words. Structure: subject plus shall or will plus be plus v1 plus inform plus object. Continuous means the action is going on. Verb 1 plus inform plus object. Verb 1 plus inform plus is the must in a continuation. The continuous tense. Okay, subject structure is for the future continuous structure is subject plus shall or will plus be plus v1 plus inform plus object. Example: I dash arrive tomorrow at this time. At this time I shall be arriving tomorrow. At this time. We shall be continuing our classes. By the next month of first onwards. We shall be continuing our classes by the 1st September 2020 onwards. and they will dash get money from you next Monday. They will be getting money from you next Monday or next month. He dash come tomorrow at 10 o'clock. He will be coming tomorrow at 10 o'clock. He will be coming tomorrow at 10 o'clock. I shall not sleeping at the time tomorrow. At the time tomorrow I shall not be sleeping. I am attending the meeting. I am attending the meeting. They will be writing the exam at 10 o'clock at 10 o'clock in March 2021. They will be writing the examinations at 10 o'clock in March 2021. They will be expecting the time, or they will be expecting the future. And then what is the next tense? Future perfect. Future perfect. In the future, four tenses are there: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect. It is used to express an action that will be completed before certain point of time in future. It is used to express an action that will be completed before certain point of time in future. Clue words: by next week, by next month, by next Sunday, by the end of, by this time tomorrow. By next week, by next month, by next Sunday, by the end of, by this time tomorrow, etc. etc. Structure: subject plus shall or will, subject plus shall or will plus have plus V3 plus object. Subject plus shall or will plus have plus V3 plus object. I shall dash complete the work by next Sunday. I dash complete the work by next Sunday. I shall have completed the work by next Sunday. We dash completed the course by next 2020 March. By next 2021 March. We shall have completed the course by next 2021 March. 2021 March. Which has the actions, which are the complete actions in future time. That is a future perfect. Future perfect. I dash sign the papers by 2 o'clock next Monday. I shall have signed the papers. I shall have signed on the papers by 2 o'clock next Monday. The students will have completed their course by 2020 April. 2020 April. The students will have completed their 5th semester and 3rd semester and 1st semester by the April 2021. And next, future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. It begins in the future and continue. It begins in the future and will be going on in the future. Future perfect continuous means the action is started in the future and it will be going on in the future. It will be going on in the future. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus V1 plus V1 plus object. Ravi dash learning for 5 years, learning for 5 years. Ravi joined in the first BA in 2020. Will be continuing in the 4 years for her graduation, for their graduation or for his graduation. Ravi will have been studying for 4 years for the graduation, for the completion of the graduation. And Lata dash serving him for 10 years. Lata will have been serving for him 10 years, which of the time they are in America. They dash teach us for 2 years. The teachers who are they are in our college, they have been teaching us for 2 years. They have been teaching us for 2 years. That is the very important. That is the very important for the future purpose. For the future purpose. And what is the remaining tenses which are the completed in previous classes? Okay, that is the present tense and past tense. Just now we are in future. Just now we are in future tense. What is the future 4 tenses? What are the future 4 tenses? Simple future, future continuous, future perfect, continuous. The simple future, it is used to express an action that which will take place in future. That which will take place in future. Subject plus will or shall, V1 plus object, V1 plus object. Subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. Clue words tomorrow, next week, next month, in the future, etc. I dash arrive tomorrow. I shall arrive tomorrow morning. They will get the books from you. They will get the books from you next week. Next week. And the students will attend the classes by next month. The students will attend the classes by next month. In the same way, future continuous. It is used to express an action which is going to take place at some time in the future. Future continuous means the action is started in the future and continuing sometime in the future. Continuing sometime in the future is a future continuous tense. Suppose when the students are joining the college by the next month, and their study will be continued. Their study will be continuing for 3 months for the semester. 3 months continuing after the study, they will conduct the semester examinations. Okay, that is the future tense. That is the future continuous tense. And which are the other activities? Okay, I shall be dash I shall be arrive tomorrow. I shall be arriving tomorrow at this time. At this time I will be arriving tomorrow in the morning. They will be getting the text. They will be getting the textbooks from you by the next Monday. By the next Monday. The students will the students will all are in their houses. The students will all are in these houses because it's a COVID time. It's a COVID-19 time. That's why they are not attending the classes. That is the future continuous tense. The action is started in the future and going on sometime in the future. When they are joined in the colleges, then they will continue their education for the 3 months for the semester examination. When they are joined or when they are implementation of the semester academic year from the September onwards, they will be continuing. They will be continuing their academic studies. They will be continuing for their academic studies. That is the most important in the academic year. And then they will continue their studies. And what is the future perfect? Future perfect means which is the completed in the future, which will be completed in the future. It is used to express an action that will be completed before certain point of time in the future. To express an action that will be completed before certain point of time in the future. When will they join in the semester or when they join in the course at the September? When will they completed their course? After the March or May. After the March or May at the 2021. They will be completed. Who are the now in third year students, they will be completed their graduation at the 2021 March or 2021 May. The academic year closed on that particular month. Then they will be completed their academic year. They will complete their education academic year. That is the future perfect. Subject plus shall or will plus have plus V3 plus object. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus V3 plus object. I shall have completed the work by next Sunday. I shall have completed the course by next March. I shall have completed my degree by next March 2021. They will have posted the letter by tomorrow. They will have posted the letter by tomorrow. She will have signed the paper. She will have signed on the papers by next month. For their completion of their services in the course. What are the next? Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense, the action is begins in the future and will be going on in the future. Future perfect continuous means the action started in the future and going on in the future. When they are the students are joined in the September for the academic classes, and their study will be going on. For the end of the academic year. Suppose Ravi will have been studying for 5 months. Ravi will have been studying for 6 months for the academic year. Lata will have been preparing for the examination, preparing for the competitive exams for 2 years. Lata will have been preparing for the competitive exams for 2 years. They will have been teaching. They will have been teaching us for 4 years. They will have been teaching for us for 4 years. Students will have been reading the lessons for 5 years. Students will have been reading the lessons for 5 years. Who are the joined in the first year? Who are the joined in the first sem and first year? First sem and first year. This is a brief structure or a brief introduction to the future tense. Future tense. In the tenses, every tense you will be very easily to identify. There are so many specifications to identify. So many specifications are there for the identifying of the tense. Identifying of the tense. Okay, we will come for the first onwards to last. We will come first for the last. What are the tenses are in English? Mainly 3 tenses are in English. Those are the present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense, past tense and future tense. In the same way that 3 are divided into each one 4. Those are the main tenses that will is divided into 3 kinds. Mainly 3 tenses are divided 3. Then these 3 are divided into each one into 4. Suppose present tense. Present tense is divided into 4 kinds. Simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect, continuous. In the same way, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, continuous. In the same future. In the future tense also, we are divided into 4 kinds. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect, continuous, future perfect, continuous. Okay, you see what is the simple present tense structure? Subject plus V1 plus object. Subject plus V1 plus object. Ravi goes to the college daily. Sita goes to temple every Saturday. Sita goes to temple every Saturday. And present continuous. Present continuous. Subject plus am, is, or plus V1 plus infinitive plus object. Ravi is going to the college. Ravi is going to the college. Peoples are attending the meeting. People are attending the meeting. People are attending the for minister meeting. Okay, next future perfect, which is the completed in the present, which is the completed in the present action. To express an action which is completed just now. Subject plus structure, subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. Subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. Ravi has taken his lunch just. Ravi has taken his lunch just. The first BA students are completed their class just. First BA students are completed their class just a few minutes ago. Our college management has not paid the phone bill yet in this academic year. The college management has not paid the phone bill at this moment. Okay, next future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Subject plus structure is subject plus have or has plus been plus V1 plus object. Subject plus have or has plus been plus V1 plus infirm plus object. They have been living here for a long time. They have been living here for a long time. Srinu started study. Srinu has been started studying since 1985. Srinu has been starting the study since 1985. Srinu has been continuing the studies for 4 years for the graduation. For the graduation, Srinu has been studying the 4 years for completion of the graduation. In this way, that is the present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. In the same way, past tense. In the past tense, simple past. Simple past is which is the action completed just yesterday or previous day. Raghavendra went to Vishakhapatnam in last week. Raghavendra went to Vishakhapatnam in last week. He does see the cinema yesterday. He saw the cinema yesterday on the television. He saw the cinema yesterday. Rani has passed. Rani passed the intermediate in March 2020. Okay, in the past continuous, we will continue the past continuous. Subject plus was, verb plus V1 plus infirm plus object. Okay, when I was in the college, the students are passed out. When I was in the college classes, the students are passed out. When I was listening the radio, while the students came into college. When the teacher was teaching the class, the students were out. Some members of students were out. That is the past continuous. And the same past perfect, continuous. In the same way, future tense. What we are discussed in the before minutes. Future tense. What is the identification of a future tense? The identification of a future tense is will or shall. Which sentence have a will or shall? That will be the future sentence. That will be a future sentence. Okay, in the future tense, what is the first one? Simple future. It is used to express an action that which will take place in future. Which will take place in future is a future tense. I dash arrive tomorrow. I shall arrive tomorrow morning. I shall arrive at this moment by tomorrow morning. They will get money from you next Sunday. They will get the textbooks by next Monday from the school. The students will get the books. The student will get the books from the school by next Monday onwards. In the same, future continuous. It is used to express an action which is going to take place at a some time in the future. Sometime in the future. Subject structure subject plus shall or will plus be plus v1 plus infirm plus object. I shall be arriving tomorrow. I shall be arriving tomorrow morning. I shall be arriving tomorrow at this moment. I shall be arriving the I shall be arriving by tomorrow morning. They will be coming. They will be coming by tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. We shall attend in the class. We shall attend in the classes by next month first week. Next month first week. In the same way, what are the action in the future perfect or future perfect? The future perfect tense is used to express an action that will be completed before certain point of time in the future, which is the actions are completed in a certain point of time in the future. Subject plus shall or will plus have plus v3 plus object. Subject plus shall or will plus have plus v3 plus object. I shall have dash complete the work by next Sunday. I shall have completed the work by next Sunday. We shall have completed the course by next March. We shall have completed the course by next March 2021. They will be signed the papers by next month 5th. They will be signed on the papers by next month 5th onwards. Next month 5th they will be signed. That is the in future complete actions. And future perfect continuous, it begins in the future and will be going on. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus v1 plus infirm plus object. Ravi will have been teaching us for 5 years. Ravi will have been teaching for us for 2 years. Lata will have been preparing the lessons for next 3 months. In this way, the future tense is always the very important for the examinations. You must attend the class, or you must prepare the tenses yourselves, and you have to correction it which are the formulas are there in our tenses. You have to prepare the every tense, which are the 12 tenses in English. You have to prepare the every tense and a few examples. Every tense you have to take the few examples for the understanding of the present tense, past tense, future tense. In the present tense, simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect, continuous tense. In the same way, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, continuous tense. In the future tense, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, continuous. Okay, that is the most important for the academic session for the grammar topics. These tenses are the most important for the academic session for the examination, academic session for the examinations.